People will tell you not to use stainless steel because once it's burned, it will continue to burn and it'll basically be useless. But I'm going to show you how you can clean up the burn. So I wanted to show you this because this is kind of a standard people go to. Not only it's filled with poisonous substances, so if you're trying to get your home healthy, I would not use that. I got that because I was like, well, I want to see how it compares to the method that I'm going to show you, which is very inexpensive and also works. So this is as far as I was able to get with the steel wool. I did use my gloves for it because my fingers don't like all the poison that's on there. So what you need to clean this off is vinegar, just distilled white vinegar. Well, I obviously got this from a big box store, and water and a little bit of soap. Okay, so I'm gonna just pour a little bit of soap in there. It doesn't matter how much, really. And I'm gonna pour some vinegar in there. And then I'm gonna add some water. Okay, so I've got my eye on where that mark is. Technically the steam will take care of it, so I'm just adding a little bit of water in there just to get close to it. When I burn something really a lot, I will have it go higher than that. So then I'm back over to the stove. Tipped over. Okay. And then I'm just gonna turn the stove on. And I'm not gonna stand here with this, but I'm gonna let that get to boiling. And then I'll start scrubbing it down after it's gotten to boiling, and I'll show you how that works. It's really nice. Okay, so it's boiling, and hopefully I have it at the right angle. I'm wearing gloves. Where's the camera? Because I don't want to burn my hand, and I also need the stainless steel scrubber. So here's my stainless steel. And then the cheapest place that I found to get stainless steel is IKEA. And you need, most stainless steel is going to have the little barrier there, but this does not. So let's see if it's boiled enough. So we got the spot over there. And let's see. It should just start scrubbing off. I think it's starting to scrub off. Okay, so I need a better angle for me. So I'm just gonna start scrubbing that. No, it's pretty caked on there. I blame, oh no, it's starting to come off. I don't know if you can, I don't know if you can see. There's a little bit of, no, you can't see it on the camera. There's a little bit of black that's come off. So I'm actually gonna, I don't know if I should do it some more, boil it some more, or scrub it. I'm bringing it over the sink. This is too hot. Is this going? I don't know. Yeah, it's going. I'm gonna pause it. So I really don't know how people do this, who do this all the time. Okay, okay, so I just brought it over from the sink. It's still steaming. I'm just gonna have you watch me. So I might need to do this again. Woo! Don't put your face over it because that vinegar stings. So can you see that right there? Oh my gosh. It actually, since I did the other stuff, well, it's starting to come off. You can't see it because it's coming off. I'm gonna have to do this again, it looks like, maybe. Some of the other stuff in there, which wasn't quite as dark as that, came off more quickly, but this is pretty caked in. Please tell me it's recording. I can't tell. Okay. It's coming off. That was enough. So you got to put a little elbow grease in there. I might do it again. Let me see. The worse the burn, the more often you're going to need to do it twice. It's coming off. Did not come off with just that Brillo SOS pad. with this. Oh, yeah, I think it's gone. Let me see. You know, I've got some more on the bottom. So I'm looking for all the little black spots. Let's rinse it. Oh yeah, I've done worse. I actually did a pot a while ago that was pretty much black, but that video took forever. So I just redid the video. I was like, oh, I'll burn something again. Okay, there it is. So, yay, 1 go. If it's really bad, you need 2 goes, sometimes 3. But vinegar, water, and a little bit of soap. That's it. So hopefully you can see how clean that is. So it is not ruined forever if you burn your stainless steel. You just got to bring some vinegar to the party. Hope that helped.